My name is Carl Arnold. I'm the owner of Kitchen Mania. Kitchen Mania was started in 2009 in the midst of the global financial crises. We sort of saw a bit of an opening in the market at that stage in the kitchen industry that we thought we could set up and start and fulfill. So that's what we did. We started on a shoestring, so we purchased some second-hand equipment, which included some second-hand Biesse machines at that stage, some old CNC machines, and set go. People these days are time poor. They don't have the resources for plumbers, builders, electricians, flooring, all of that sort of stuff. So where we sort of ended up in a bit of a niche market and have been very successful in that market is being able to supply the customer the A to Z solution. So we'll have designers go and meet with the customer on site, then they'll do up a design. Customer comes back into the showroom and we complete the design. They pick the colours and hardware and all that sort of stuff. But then we also go through a process of looking and pricing in the whole thing, which including the removal of kitchens, the building of walls that may have to happen, removing of floors, the plumbing, the electrical. So the customers, once they go ahead with us, are basically going ahead and getting that full service all the way through. It's been successful. It's been an interesting industry. We've grown over 20% year on year since 2009, initially from a staff of 4 to now we're a staff of 60. And through that journey, it's been important that the staff that we bring on understand and work with us and our values. And we work very hard at making sure that our customer journey and the way that our values as a business reflect on how we deal with the customer. And that's proven to be very, very powerful for us. People do get a feeling when they come to Kitchen Mania that they are looked after, that they feel that they're being respected. And taking consideration the growth curve that we're on and the growth curve that we still remain and still expect to be on, we've decided to invest heavily in equipment. And I guess because Biesse machinery had done us well, the little second-hand machines that we'd purchased had done us well all those years, and we'd got our staff had got used to working with Biesse. We got used to working with their technicians. When it came to putting in a new line and investing heavily for the future, those sort of things were important to us. It was important that we could rely on a company that had people on the ground here, but more so people that really also knew our people and understood our people and understood what we were trying to achieve.
Hi, my name's Daniel. I'm the factory manager of Kitchen Mania. My main role is being in charge of logistics of the factory, making sure that everything is running smooth and to an efficient process. The way I do that is to make sure that all the efficiencies are in place and then we'll be able to produce to the best of our abilities. How we do that which has been pretty good, we've been involved with Biesse, and being involved with Biesse has really helped us in many aspects of Kitchen Mania. Using B-Solid on our machinery and that, we can program it from upstairs, and then once we send it down to the machines, there's a few aspects that you can use. The first aspect, once it's programmed down, we can do a pre-stack, and we can pre-stack all our material ready for the next day's use, which is good for production, speeds up production on that side. The other one about it is that once we've got the programs there, the beauty about it is that I can go look through it, or my operators can go look through it and make sure that we haven't missed anything, make sure that we can have an off-cut management. And then from there, if we need to do a change on the program, we can do it down on the machine, which saves time. It doesn't mean that we have to go back up to the operators, go back up to the programmers, then go back down. So once we've sent the picking list down, the beauty of having the one store is that we can program all 3 machines. We can do our Selco, we can do our HD, and what we call our Rover A. So from that means that we can run all the machines from the picking list, and with the HD running a sheet under 3 minutes, we're really producing a mass amount. The local service that you get and the local support is really good. So anytime we have an issue or we have problems that come up, I can phone them and the technicians are here straight away, and they really help us, which is really good, especially when we're trying to keep things efficient and on track. Kitchen Mania is very much involved in upskilling people and upskilling and making sure that we're always training and always trying to provide the best for our teams, for our employees, and for all our staff. One of the things that we do is also with Biesse, that we're looking at a training program, which is an amazing thing that they've offered, but also what we do in-house. So in-house we have an install program where the guys are installing, and then they come inside, they look at the install, and then we have an install team that basically has kitchens that they install. We show them how to do it, we show them how to adjust it, we show them what we look for, so that we can make sure that everybody's doing a Kitchen Mania way.